run once, and it's all. Now we're gonna go and look here. Our database. Perfect. Here's a link, and this was changed. Is posted, and go to our Instagram account. Refresh this, and here we have. This is what we posted. Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to schedule and post images on Instagram using Make account. Okay. Well, first of all, we're gonna start with this flowchart. Basically, we're gonna use a Google Sheet as a database in order to we can schedule and post. Okay. Then it will save it and download it in Google Drive. We will use Discord to house the image, and finally, we'll post on Instagram. Okay. Well, let's jump into what do you need. Okay. First of all, in this case, we need to have a Google Sheet as a database. So we need to set up sheet as a database. Okay. So we're going to jump into Google Sheet. We're going to create a new one. Well, I'm gonna name this Instagram images. Well, we're gonna fill out some fields like title. We need a URL. We need a date and post. Okay. Here you can add most fields such as uh, description, hashtags. Here we have this basic. Okay, now I'm gonna change the color here. Oh no, maybe close. But okay. Well, this is a date, format, date. Okay, post. I'm gonna select drop down here. Option 1 will be this posted. If it is scheduled, okay. Well, when it's posted, I'm gonna change the color. All right. Well, that's all. Now, that's all. Well, the next thing we need is to create a folder in Google Drive. Create a folder in Google Drive. Okay. Here we can save the images. So we go again here, where is Google Drive. I'm gonna create a new folder here with Instagram images. Alright, well, now go back here, it's done. And the next important thing is to create a Discord account. Okay, this is so easy. You just go to Google and write something like Discord. Okay, you sign up here. It's so easy. It's free. And well, in my case, I have account created. When you have account, you go here. Okay. Well, it's a simple thing that you cannot do, and it takes some few minutes. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is automate and make the account. So let's jump into make the account. We're gonna start from scratch. Okay. Create a new scenario. Here, we're gonna go to Google Sheet, and in this case, we're gonna search rows. Okay. Spreadsheet ID. We're gonna look for here, and Instagram images. Okay, is the spreadsheet that we created. The sheet number, sheet one. Yes, it contain headers. Here, we're gonna apply a filter. We're gonna use date. Okay. Here, text. We're gonna select the date. Here, format date. I'm gonna put here now. Is here the format that we're gonna use is day, month, and year. Okay. Alright. Okay. Now, the next thing that we're gonna do is Google Drive. We're gonna use Google Drive in this case. We will search for a file, folders. We're gonna choose a folder that we created is Instagram images. Okay? Retrieve files in this case. And well, search. In this case, file folders. Okay? And query. Here, we're gonna look for a title and well, search exact term, search name contain this search of term. Okay, we're gonna select the second option. Well, it's done. The next thing that we're gonna do is here we're gonna download this file download here. And file ID is a file ID of the previous step. I'm gonna click OK, and then here we're gonna make some trick. This is important because Instagram, has a format how the images you want to upload should have some size, and if you don't make this, you will have problems. It's probably the Instagram won't post, and your workflow in this case you make will stop it. Okay, take care with this. That's the reason we need to resize the image. Okay, so we're gonna add here a new module image. In here, we're gonna select image and dimensions. And Instagram recommends to use 1080 here. Okay, and the Google Drive document. I'm just resizing the image. Okay, and finally, I'm gonna add here a Discord account. If you have created your Discord account, you go here. We're gonna search Discord account, and here what we're gonna do is send a message. Okay, we're gonna send a message, and here we're gonna go to Discord account, and we're gonna create a new channel. This will be Instagram images. Create. Perfect. Go back to make the account, and here we're gonna select Instagram images. Okay, we're gonna activate the shown advantage settings. The message, we're making the updates here, so I'm gonna put here um, this is test to post on Instagram. Okay, message on Discord, and well, here files, image, resize. Okay, and well, click OK. Then we're gonna post on Instagram. Remember, this is so important. You can do this on Instagram for business. Okay, go here. We're gonna create a post, a photo post. Here, you just connect your account in this case, so you see this part. Okay, here, and select the account where you're gonna use in this case. Select the page, and there's this page, and the photo URL here I'm gonna use from Discord. Go to attachment, URL. The caption, you can have a description. Okay, description, what you wanna post, and you can write something like, "Hi, this is a test." You can add hashtags, you can add another things. And well, this is all at the moment, I think. Well, here it's all. It's perfect. Now, the last thing that we're gonna do here is that we're gonna add an, a new module and we're gonna update a row. Okay? Perfect. What's row in this case is Instagram images. Sheet name, sheet one. Okay. The row number here is the same as the first. The row number. And what we're gonna update here is the URL that we have created is the same URL to here, attachment URL, and post here. We're not saying that is posted. Okay, well, that's all. Perfect. We're finished this. Okay, now we're gonna make a test. Okay, go to Google Sheet, and here we're gonna add an image. Here I wanna write the title like motivation and the date. I don't know. I'm gonna pause to for today, 2024. Perfect. This is schedule. Okay. Now we're gonna go and jump into Meg to make the test. Here, remember the date is from today. That means that we will post it today. Okay. And now we need the file. So this file, this image that you're gonna save here in the new folder that we have created. So I want to play this an image here. Okay, I'm gonna upload here. This is the image. The name is motivation. Remember, this should be the same name here of the title. Okay, well, this is so important. The file, in this case, the image that you are uploaded in Google Drive should be the same that you use in your database. What it means that in the future you can upload a lot of images, okay, different images, and you only need to put the names here and select the dates. What you wanna post here, different dates, and this automatically will post it on Instagram. Okay. Okay, and here we're gonna run once. Perfect. It's so faster. It's so fast and Instagram is creating, and it's all. Now we're gonna go look here. Oh, database. Perfect. Here's a link, and this was changed. It's posted, and go to our Instagram account. We're gonna refresh this, and here we have. This is what we posted. This is description that we write here. Hi, this is a test, and well, it was posted 30 seconds ago. Okay, now this part here, it's important. Now, why wouldn't I use Discord and Google Drive? Maybe you can say, I'm gonna use only one, Google Drive to Discord. Not. Here's the problem. Many people have these problems because Instagram have some requirements in order to you can post. The maximum file size is 8 MBs, aspect radius, you know, minimum wide, maximum wide, and the formats. And here, this part I will make remark here. Instagram will have problems if you directly post from Google Drive or even if you use Dropbox. Okay, that is the reason we're gonna using Discord. Okay, all right. So it's done. The advantages that we have is well, schedule and publish unlimited times. You have it's free and use it time. Maintain consistency in your instrument feeds. You know, reach a broad audience with scheduled posts. Access detail analytics on post performance. Okay, you have these advantages. With any other things that we can add to this is that if you want to not schedule and directly pause when you upload a new image here, you can make it every time that you want to post something, you only take an image and put it here, and this automatically will post no matter time, no matter if you don't want to post one day or not, depending on this, you want to make this. Now, you can delete this module and direct run from here. But in this case, we're gonna post, we're gonna schedule whatever you wanna do, and it's important. After all, I repeat, you can apply here, upload different images from all the way from all the month in this case. Okay, and then every time in the same time you wanna put his titles, and you need to only put different dates. Okay, different dates here depending on what you want to do, and this automatically will post it in the same day in the day that you are scheduled. Now I think it's all for now. This was the post for Instagram, post on Instagram in this case, and solving that problem. Okay, well, that's all. I think I hope really this was helpful for you, and you want to have the blueprint in the description. Okay, and stay tuned. See you in the next video.